Hello, I'm Michael Kuipers from MBO. In this video you will see how to properly clean the fold rollers of a parallel fold unit. Proceed in the same way when cleaning the fold rollers of other folding units. To clean the fold rollers you need a 4mm hex key, a dry cleaning rag and suitable fold roller detergent. Switch off the machine using the main switch. Open the noise dampening hood and remove the door under the alignment table on the operator side. Now remove the buckle plates from the folding unit as shown. For safety reasons, 2 people should carry out this step. Be careful not to store the buckle plates with the buckle plate infeed facing downwards to avoid damage. To prevent injuries, the slitter shafts in the respective folding unit must be removed. In this example, pull out the slitter shaft cassette and loosen any counter knives and the upper slitter shaft with a 4mm hex key. Pull back the plug bearing and remove the slitter shaft horizontally from the coupling. Now also loosen the lower slitter shaft, remove the smoothers above it and take out the shaft. Take care to store the slitter shafts in such a way that they do not roll away and that installed tools cannot be damaged. Then close the slitter shaft cassette again. Dampen the cleaning rag with the fold roller detergent and rub the fold rollers clean without applying pressure. Keep turning the fold rollers and repeat the process until you have completely cleaned all fold roller surfaces. Do this work alone to avoid personal injury or property damage due to the fold rollers accidentally dragging in limbs or objects. As the lower folding rollers are difficult to access from above, clean them from below the alignment table. Once the cleaning work is complete, reinstall the slitter shafts that were removed at the beginning. To do this, open the slitter shaft cassette, take the lower slitter shaft and push it horizontally into the lower coupling. Close the plug bearing and clamp it with the hex key. Proceed in the same way to install the upper slitter shaft. Position and secure the previously loosened counter knives and clamp the smoothers back in place. Make sure that they do not touch the transport rollers of the slitter shafts. Then push the slitter shaft cassette back into the machine. Insert all buckle plates in the folding unit and clamp them. Again, for safety reasons, carry out this work in pairs. Hook the door under the alignment table into the hinges and then close the noise dampening hood. Then switch on the folding machine using the main switch and let it run at maximum speed for 20 minutes without processing paper. This will fling detergent residues out of the fold roller surfaces and accelerate evaporation. Vidrotech and high-grip fold rollers have very absorbent surface materials and should be dried thoroughly. If you want to continue production with the machine directly afterwards, also check the first produced products for any detergent residues. You should clean the fold rollers regularly to avoid marks on products. Cleaning is advisable at the latest when impurities like stainings appear on the folded sheets. Check the fold roller cleanliness before folding sensitive products, especially if jobs with a high proportion of image area have been processed earlier.